Hey guys, good morning. Darren from Done Right RV. And I woke up this morning, well, I was already awake, but I had a little problem with my generator. I want to give you guys the quick fix on this. So my brother came over this morning and changed my oil and my filters and everything for me because it's a heck of a lot easier for him to get rid of used oil than me. Bottom line is, when he was over, the hint is right there when I tell you what happened. So the generator kicked on. I've got my automatic generator start program to, when my batteries go to 11.8 volts, I've got AGM batteries for my house batteries, so that's absolutely fine. But the batteries weren't charging. It's one of the reasons I always keep a close eye on what my battery status is if I'm in my coach. And I watched, with the generator running, the voltage going from 11.7 to 11.6 to 11.5. I took a peek at my control panel and I noticed that the generator, or the recharge light, was not illuminated. So I put 2 plus 2 together. I didn't panic, even though we've got single-digit weather coming to Connecticut in the next day or two. I came out here, I took a quick peek, and of course, the problem was the breaker on the generator had been flipped off, which is the right thing to do when you're doing a service, and he forgot to turn it back on. So that is one quick, easy solution. If your generator is running and your house batteries are not charging, this could possibly be a culprit, especially if you've just had some kind of work done on your generator. So it's a good place to start. One thing to keep in mind, right now I do have the generator pulled out pretty far on my rig. Typically, this is kind of what you see. So you're gonna have to finagle your way in here a little bit in order to get to that breaker. But look, I hope that helps solve a little problem for you. It was nothing major. Just kind of had to think my way through it and work backwards from the problem. I hope that helps. So please like and subscribe if that was a helpful little tidbit today. Merry Christmas, everybody, and Happy Hanukkah. Yeah, subscribe, please leave some comments below, and thanks for watching.